Hello guys! Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Guys, something is up. Wait nga, gusto ko i-try yung ano ko. Gusto ko i-try yung microphone ko. Mic test, mic test. Testing the mic, testing the mic. Sorry. Nagtutupi ako ngayon. Then after this, nakain tayo. Today is not a weekend. It's weekdays and sick leave ako because something happened to me yesterday na hindi ko na-expect. Yes. Yes, indeed. Nakasuot ako ng abaya, guys, kasi may mga lalaki kanina sa labas. May problema yung isang outlet, yung plug. Parang nasunog yung plug. Anyway, kahapon, guys, I went to Jeddah kasi kailangan ko ipastamp yung aking marriage contract. Because if you're planning to, ito guys, hindi ko alam kung for all, but you're government employee, I don't know, but according dun sa hospital na plano kong aanakan sa King Faisal sa Taif, if you're planning daw na mga anak doon, kailangan meron kang proof that you are married, in which PSA original copy, naka-apostille sa Philippines, and then stamp ng Philippine Embassy. So I have to go to Philippine Embassy in Jeddah, which is a 3.5-hour biyahe. I have to do the stamping para in case of whatsoever premature labor na wag naman sana, Panginoon, please. Meron akong paper and ready yung paper ko para hindi tayo ma-police case, everything and all. So yeah, it happened. I went to Jeddah. I was not able to vlog because hindi ko talaga kayang mag-vlog, guys, kapag on the go ako. Because ibang-iba ako. Sobrang weak ng pagkatao ko. Anyway, to make the story short, umalis ako ng 6:30 AM dito sa Gia. Then, nakarating kami doon ng around maybe 10. Nag-process, and then releasing time ng 2 PM, pero Philippines time din pala. Na-release siya ng 4 PM. Nakauwi ako dito sa amin ng 7 PM. Unfortunately, that time, yung road kasi, guys, may pa-zigzag road siya. And let's just say the road was not, the biyahe itself is not, I don't know, it's not good for pregnant people. I vomited 3 times. 2 times sa trip, 1 time pag uwi ko dito. Projectile vomiting. Projectile vomiting means talagang fountain siya, tubig siya. Then sumakit yung batok ko, knowing na hypertensive ako. Yung polyps ko, dumugo ng sobrang-sobra to the point na may mga blood clot, yung dugo ko. So I was afraid. Nagdiretso ako ng emergency room, kararating ko lang ng Jeddah kahapon. Yun nga, 155/110 ang aking blood pressure. Talagang nag-shoot up siya, siguro sa pagod, everything and all. But, na-ER ako saglit. Ultrasound was great. Ultrasound was amazing. I'm 28 weeks today. Praise God. And nalaman ko na ang gender kahapon. Gender reveal! Hindi ko sasabihin. I seen the gender yesterday. And, baby was good. The main concern is my polyps. Kasalanan talaga siya ng polyps ko. And that is expected, but hindi ko lang talaga, hindi ko lang na-expect, guys, na talagang magkakaroon ng clotting yung bleeding ko. Kaya natakot ako ng bonggang-bongga. But yeah, bed rest ako the whole day. As you can see, I'm not really bed rest, but mamaya after ko magtupi, hihiga lang ako buong araw. Di pa rin kasi ako nakakain, kailangan ko pang kumain. So kakain ako after this. Meron naman ng ulam na luto. Nagsasaing pa lang naman ako ng kanin. So, yeah, that was just my update for this vlog. We will eat and then we will see what will happen. But, grabe talaga, guys. Akala ko, takot na takot talaga ako kahapon dun sa sa bleeding ko and everything. Okay, guys. So, before ko i-close yung ating vlog, actually, maiksi lang yung vlog natin. Masyadong distracting yung ito lang, ganyan na lang. Yan, John. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, we went sa Jeddah, right? So, pagdating namin ng Jeddah around like 10 AM, madali lang yung pagpasa ko ng papers kasi wala namang nakapila. Dun sa releasing yung medyo natagalan. Kasi after ng 10 AM, after ko na-process yung 10 a.m., the releasing was still 2 p.m. pa. So, from 10, 11, 12, 1, ako pati si Ate Pat, may kasama kasi ako, pumunta kami ng mall saglit para kumain. But, may mga bagay-bagay talaga doon na dapat mong tingnan. And then, actually, I'll tell you honestly, I hope my husband will not see this because he will kill me. Actually, I think one of the main reason kung ba't ako nagdugo to the highest level is because of these things. Kasi medyo mabigat siya. Binuhat ko siya. I'm so sorry, anak. I'm so sorry. Anyway, we went sa Max to buy something sana para kay baby. Pero that time, nung pumunta kami, hindi ko pa alam yung gender niya kasi tinatago niya. Naka-breech presentation kasi siya, nakatikom yung legs niya. So, I do not know his gender. So, sabi ko, you know what? I'll buy something for myself. I'll buy something for your mommy. For me. For moi. And yung binili ko naman, guys, is hindi siya like bili-bili lang. I have to buy. Actually, kailangan kong bumili ng maluwang na scrub suit. Kasi yung pan-duty ko, guys, sa scrub suit, naiipit na yung tiyan ko at wala akong malaking scrub suit na talagang I will feel comfortable. So, nakakita ako ng parang joggers or jeggings na mukha siyang pwedeng gamitin pang-duty na double XL. Yes, so, ang laki niya. As in, anong size nito? 48. 48 ang bewang niya, guys. And I think this is very good para sa akin kasi hindi niya maiipit yung tiyan ko and I will really breathe nicely. Pwede ko naman siyang pasikipan and lalaki pa yung tiyan ko, lalaki pa ako as a human being. And pwede siyang pang scrub suit, pwede ko siyang gamitin like yung pantalon ko sa duty, mukha naman siyang pang duty. So I got this one for 15 reals lang. It was originally 39 reals and it was on sale for 15. So I'm happy with this purchase because I know that I'm gonna use that. And then, bumili din ako ng ganito na light blue ang color. Na mukha din talaga siyang scrub suit. Ang pambaba naman niya, like ganyan yung cut niya. Double XL din. 48 inches ang baywang. And dalawa ang binili kong ganito. So, I'm very happy with this kasi hindi na maiipit si baby sa tiyan ko. You see? Kaya ako siya binili. Kasi para sa'yo to, baby. Para sa'yo to. So, gender reveal na ba ito? Are you team pink or are you team blue? Wow. R&B. Right? R&B. Marami kasing sale na nakasulat Kemerush. So, walang sale sa Duster. Okay? We went to the checkout counter kasi may binili lang si Ate Pat na isang item. And then, guys, oh my gosh. May nag-check out ng bag for 10 reals. Mga Syrian, tapos 5, 6, tit, it was ringing 10 reals each bag. Tapos sabi ni Ate Pat, Carol, tingnan mo, 10 reals lang. Ako, guys, sa totoo lang, nahirap-hirap na ako sa pagbubuntis ko. Wala akong pakialam kahit gaano pang kabonggang sale yan because I just do not want to carry. Okay? Nung tinignan ko, sabi ko, 10 reals nga. So, nagtanong ako, sabi ko, dun sa parang may ano doon na babantay, sabi ko, saan po yan ganyan yung 10 reals? Sabi niya, doon punta kasi may bag, nakalagay lang siya sa trolley, hindi na naka-display, naka-trolley na lang nakatambak. Pupunta ako, guys, may dalawang lalaking, syempre lalaki sila, iba ang babae sa lalaki pag namimili, diba? Lalaki sila, kailangan pa nila mag-video call sa kanilang mga kaasawahan. And then ako, here comes a free woman na hindi ko kailangan ng...
Hello guys, good morning.
Na hindi ko kailangan ng opinion ng lalaki.
Wow!
Kinuha ko lahat, guys. Kumuha ko ng 6 na bag. And then, pumunta ko Ate Pat. Ate Pat, may nakuha ko 6. Alin ang gusto mo? Ilan ang gusto mo? Actually, guys, kung sinabi niya gusto ko kunin yung 6, I'll give to her all of the 6 because I just do not care. 2 lang yung kinuha ko. Tapos kinuha ko na lang din yung 4. Yeah, so I got 4 bags. 4 or 5. Okay, so first one. Oh, I love this one. I love this one. This is only 10 reals, guys. And the quality, I'm not joking. I kid you not. The quality is very good. Meron na siyang form dati na square. I think gusto ko to. Parang ang ganda niyang pang hand carry sa airport. I don't know. I like it. I think I'll keep this for myself. Parang ang ganda niyang pang... I don't know. I really don't know.
Wow!
I don't know. I don't know why they have 10 reals sale for this. Sobrang cool. 10 reals, guys. 10 reals. The bag is legit. Like, kung bibilihin mo to siya sa boutique, I think this will cost 950 or 1,500. Honestly. Bilihan mo lang to ng dust bag, lagyan mo lang ng ano, mukha na siyang tag 2.5. Pwede mo na siya pautang ng 2,500. Gawin ko kaya yun. Biglang, oh, see, may tag pa siya. Nandito pala yung presyo niya, oh. 10 reals. It was originally 75. See, from 75 reals to 10 reals. So, I do not know, but nila ginagawa yun, siguro old stock, but anyway, I got it. This tote bag. Tote bag. Kasulat na siya. A white tote bag na clip. See, it's just clip on. Pwede mo siyang gawing sling. May sling siya. And that's it. Ang ganda nito. Parang gusto ko to gamitin sa duty, pero it's too beautiful pang duty. This one is originally, where is it? 60. Wow, 60 reals. From 60 reals to 10 reals. Dumugo ako dahil dyan. Because I did not just buy one bag, guys. I have 2 bags. I have 2 blue bags. That's why I bled. Para! Okay. So I don't see, hindi ko maalala. I have the same design but different color of tote bag. See, this one is like a blush pink color. Ang ganda niya. 60 reals din. Yes, 60 reals. A blush pink color. Meron din siyang strap. Gold, rose gold. Clip, berm. Perfect. That is what we need. Okay, may lalagyanan sa loob. And last but not the least, this is my price tag. Yeah, 40 reals. 40 reals for 4 bags. Same design, but this is like ooh, this is nice. I want to keep it though. A brown, mocha. A brown cappuccino color with the strap. Gold naman yung strap niya. Ganda! Oh, sa Philippines kasi hindi ko siya pwedeng gamitin kasi open siya. Gusto ko mag-zipper sa Pinas. Pero dito sa Saudi, okay lang magkaroon ng bag na bukas. Kaya madaming ganung bag dito, like open lang. Anyway guys, those are the things that I got. Nagkalat patuloy ako, imbis matutulog na ako. But you know guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Maraming salamat guys sa walang sawang panonood. Remember guys, to keep safe all the time and God bless you all, okay? Bye! Salamat!